Hello, my name is Derek Smith. This video is about how to take apart ES lamp holders. The thing that stops you being able to unscrew the lamp holder is a small lug inside that sticks against the vertical spines which are on the inside of the lamp holder skirt. The way to get around this is to push that lug down inside the lamp holder with a small screwdriver and unscrew the skirt at the same time. Let me show you how. Okay, so we'll begin by finding the lug inside the lamp holder. It's the part that is touching the outer wall of the lamp holder inside. So in this case it's a small piece of brass just sticking up against the spines which are on the skirt of the lamp holder. So I press that down and I hold on to this lamp holder skirt with my thumb and forefinger, and at the same time unscrew the base with my other hand. I may have to repeat this procedure 2 or 3 times in order to unscrew the skirt. So there we go, there's our 3 parts unassembled. So now we've taken the lamp holder apart, we can see the lug that was pressing up against the spines within the lamp holder, and it was by pressing that down with the screwdriver and unscrewing this skirt at the same time that we were able to unscrew the lamp holder. Other examples of ES lamp holders, here's the insert, and you can see that small lug there, almost like a ramp. That would need to be pressed down too, like so. Other examples of ES lamp holders, here we have the plastic one. Again, we push that lug there, you can see the ramp going up there like so. That would need to be pressed down whilst unscrewing the skirt. So you can see that there are many different types of ES lamp holders, but the same unlocking principle applies to them all. Thank you very much for listening.